In this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy and paste a chart to Docs from Google Sheets using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. You can easily move charts from Google Sheets into Google Docs and even keep them linked so they update automatically. Now, if you want to copy and paste a chart, here's what to do. Open your Google Sheet and find the chart you want. Click on the three dots at the top right of the chart. Then click Copy Chart. Now go to your Google Doc. Click where you want the chart to appear. Press Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste. Once you paste, you'll see an option. Choose Link to Spreadsheet if you want the chart to update automatically when data changes. Or choose Paste Unlinked if you want a fixed version. Your chart will now appear in your document. You can resize or move it just like an image. That's it. Copying charts from Google Sheets to Google Docs is quick and powerful, helping you create clean and professional reports with live data.